Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining our weekly Tech Talk. Today, I'm going to show you an integration that I've created between change requests in ServiceNow and Micro Focus ALM requirements. So, ServiceNow and ALM are two of the more popular tools on the market used by organizations today to manage changes and requirements. So let's get right into it and actually show you this integration I've created in action. So we'll go over to ServiceNow and go to the change module. So allow me to kind of paint a picture here or a story. So imagine Joshua is a manager at XYZ Software Consulting. He wants to gain more insight into the workload of his team. He's actually considering adding more resources to his team, but of course, he has to provide some justification. And he's not getting the metrics he needs for this justification. So he has a specific metric in mind. So he goes ahead and enters a change request into ServiceNow. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll go ahead and give a description. Joshua wants to see how many high priority defects are worked on by his team within a month. Give it a description too. Right, we've got a priority of low. We'll actually assign it to a specific assignment group here, the application development team, because that's who Joshua knows will actually work on this change request for the reporting tool that would need to be updated. So he's created his change request in ServiceNow, and we'll go ahead and submit this request. Right, so you can actually see our change request here has been submitted. So what's happening in the background here with ConnectALL is it's going to look for any updates in ServiceNow or new change requests in this example to synchronize over to Micro Focus ALM as a requirement type of user story. So we'll go over to ConnectALL. And on our activity monitor here, we'll actually see shortly this change request that Joshua submitted having been picked up by ConnectALL and synchronized over in near real time over to Micro Focus ALM. And here it is, right? We see the change request number here was synchronized over to requirement 212 in ALM, right? So let's go over there and take a look at that. So we'll find that requirement in ALM. Yeah, so as you can see, here's Joshua's change request has gone over as a requirement to ALM. So now the application development will see this user story and can start working on this and providing this metric within the reporting tool that they support for Joshua's specific requirement request. Any updates they provide, they'll be synchronized back to the change requests for Joshua to see in near real time. So let's go ahead and show that. We can actually, we'll say the development team has decided this is a higher priority, so they'll change the priority from low to high. They can even add a comment in here, to let Joshua know, hey, we're working on this. This is important. Providing him an update here. And we're working on this right now. Right, so we'll add our comment. Go ahead and save this. Right, so now we've got our requirements saved with a few updates made. The priority and the comment was added to this. So now this is going to synchronize back to ServiceNow. So Joshua will have some notifications in near real time that his change request has been given a higher priority and some, a few comments here letting him know that it's being worked on by his app dev team. Right, so here's a priority change from low to high, and we can actually see the comments here from the application development team. So what's nice about this as there's multiple benefits that creating an integration with ConnectALL between these two tools provides. Obviously less manual efforts, right? As you can see, these updates were provided in near real time, right? So, Joshua doesn't have to maybe send an email or tap someone on the shoulder on the app dev team to get these updates. Same goes in both ways. The application development team can just put in these updates into their tool that they used, ALM, which will then synchronize over to ServiceNow for Joshua to see his updates. And that's another benefit. People can work in their tool of choice. This enhanced visibility and traceability, all of these updates are tracked in both tools. Facilitates collaboration and communication, right? The teams are now talking to each other, and time to value goes up too, right? For this requirement to be turned around and have Joshua's change request fulfilled, obviously will happen much quicker with this real-time communication that you're seeing. So that's really all I wanted to show you in today's Tech Talk, just a very simple integration between two of the more popular change request and requirement tools that are used, ServiceNow and Micro Focus ALM. So thank you for taking the time to join our weekly Tech Talk. Our upcoming schedules of webinars is available on our ConnectALL.com website. And if you'd like to learn more about ConnectALL and how we can help your organization achieve greater value by integrating all of the tools in your software delivery value stream, reach out to us at sales@connectall.com, or you can even visit us on our website at connectall.com. Thank you very much.